Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little decluttering video of my closet. This is going to be the first decluttering video out of a few that I have planned in the near future, because this is going to be my journey to living a minimalistic type of lifestyle. I watched a few videos on, like decluttering tips and tricks, whatever. I'm going to do the whole pile method with like things you want, things you don't want, things you can give away type of thing. I'm trying to get rid of the habit of not being able to let things go and thinking like, oh, I can wear that in the future. Oh, like I might wear that, or it's so cute, I don't want to let it go, because that's literally why I have so much stuff and I just can't let go, because that's my mindset and I'm trying to get rid of that. Here, let me show you how like everything's just bundled up in places. Like I have this cubicle thing where I just have clothes kind of folded and shoved in there that I don't even or haven't even touched in a while. I have these clothes hung up, and then I have another cubicle thing, same situation. I have this little stack of folded sweaters, nice, and then I go back to, a mess. I have bags full of things, all this stuff on my floor, drawers filled with art supplies, more boxes of art supplies back here. It's just a mess everywhere, and honestly, it brings my mood down. Yeah, let's just get into this video. Let's see what we get rid of and what we keep. I'm pretty excited because, organizing is fun sometimes and it can be therapeutic. I know I like watching decluttering videos because it's therapeutic for me. It's just fun, So yeah, let's get started into my decluttering video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope I do a good job with the before and after of my attempt of this. Are you ready, peep? So before I started my decluttering process, I watched a few people's decluttering videos, and one girl, she put all her clothes in a pile so she could really visually see how much clothes she actually has. And just look. Like, oh my god, what is this? Just ashamed. If you can see in the mirror, it goes like at my knees pretty much, my ashy knees. Wow, okay. Now I'm low-key kind of like, why am I doing this? But I know why I'm doing this, and this is gonna be a long process, but we're gonna get there. This is where my things I want pile is gonna be, and this is where my I don't want pile is gonna be. Okay, it's only been like 15 minutes and I already want to give up, but we're not. So I know in my intro I said I was going to be decluttering my closet, like the whole thing pretty much, but I just watched more decluttering videos, specifically the, what's it called? Hold on. Konmari method type of video. I'm gonna change it up because one thing she said was to focus on decluttering pretty much one thing, like clothing or shoes, instead of focusing on decluttering an entire area all at once. And that just made a lot more sense to me. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Instead of focusing on the entire closet, I'm just going to focus on my clothes and what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. Okay. So I just found some silly pants that I bought when I was probably like a sophomore or junior in high school. And I like completely forgot I even had them. So here's my pile of everything I'm going to keep. And here's my pile of what I'm not gonna keep. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually very surprised. I'm giving away a lot of things. Well, I'm either gonna donate, throw away, or sell on, like, I don't know where I'm gonna sell it, but they're all gonna go somewhere where they belong, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like a lot of this stuff I already knew I didn't want anymore, but I just kept it around because, you know, that mindset of like, oh,
I might end up liking it later, or it might fit me when I lose a couple pounds, you know?
But we're gonna get rid of the stuff. I guess now it's time to fold everything and hang it back up. Let's see if I got more space in my closet. Oh my god, I've gotten half of the pile folded and on hangers, and well, I'm almost done, but I'm gonna take a little break because somebody's sleeping on my clothes and I don't want to wake her beautiful ass up. My beauty. And we got Minnie up here sleeping as well. These things folded up. This stuff folded up. Threw some trash over there. It's a big mess right now. All my hanger stuff, it's not actually that tall. There's something underneath. I just start piling everything up. That's the going away pile still. Oh, somebody woke up. But yeah, and I have this terrible pimple right here. It's been here for like 2 whole weeks. It came out of nowhere and it started growing. And then it shrunk and it was gone for like 4 days. And now it's like out of nowhere, it's just back and it's like super red now. And like, I have this little one right here. It's life, you know. But I just wanted to put it out there. So yeah, I know I have it right there. Now I can't fold because these two beautiful girls decided to take my folding area as their, I guess, sleeping area, huh, Mins? Okay, I just finished folding all the clothes of the keep pile. That took probably like an hour and a half, just about. But yo, I just realized like I have a whole, hold on, like, you see that thing right there? That's filled with clothes. But and then I have a laundry basket in my laundry room too with clothes. And I have another like plastic drawer thing, or 2 other plastic drawer things with clothes. But I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna focus on what we got here right now, and at another time I'm gonna deal with that clothes. But seriously, like, we're getting rid of a lot of stuff. Look, that pile, dope. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally done with the clothes. There's so much more space. Like, I know I'm not done with the entire closet yet. This is just the clothing part. But damn, like, compared to before, there's just so much more space. Let me show you. Look. And look at this. Literally got rid of half of my clothing rack. This side's still pretty full, but like, we love these sweaters. Look at this. Nice and organized. I don't even have enough clothes to put anything in here. I filled up this cubicle, but I still have like 1 cube left for clothes. Like, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of taking this time and step to getting rid of all this clusteredness, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys like this video. I know I didn't do the entire closet, which would probably have been better of a video, but like the Konmari video said, focus on one subject rather than an entire area. Hey, we're getting somewhere. This journey to the minimalistic life, we're getting there. Anyways, have a good day, have a good night. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for more, I suppose. Bye.